everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today I've got a custom from Johnny Lightning and it's a Custom Jaguar XKE. It's not a new casting or new packaging, I think it's from 1995. I recently visited a toy show and found this one, so I had to get this. Now, most of you might keep it carded. I'm not somebody like that. Don't buy them for their values, to increase, buy them because I like that. So I'm gonna open it up and show you how does it look. So before I show you the casting, I would like to show you this plastic coin that came with it. It says Johnny Lightning. It has a serial number on it, Series A, and it says limited edition. Same in the back. Now for the casting, it has metal base and it says commemorative. Well, actually can't really read it because it's been in the package for so long. Things have gone bad. I think it can say limited edition. That's what I can read. At Play Mantis Toys, made in China. That's what I can read. Now, going back to the casting. So it's finished in this nice blue shade and has those really cool looking wheels. You won't see anything like that on your vehicles, newer diecast, but it's really cool for the time. Two door, obviously you can see the door handle here. No glass in the window, so you can see the interior there too. You can see the two seats. Very classic Jaguar shape, long hood, short rear overhang. This one, there's this place for the headlamp, but it's not painted or anything. You do have this hood bulge here, anything to put the bigger engine. No mirrors or windshield wiper, but you can open this hood up and see an engine in there. Not a lot of details, but still some. And this is how it looks from the driver's side. You can see the driver's steering, seats in there, windows, actually windshield and rear windshield are finished in yellow, I guess, yellow tint. Trunk opens up. No tail lamp or any other details. I think this one doesn't have suspension, it's fixed. Yep, it's fixed, no suspension there. So overall, well, not a lot of details on this one, but then again, it's almost 30-year-old casting now, if it's from 1995, and I'm old. So it's almost 30-year-old casting, and it's been in the package for that long, and it looks really pristine, apart from some things on the bottom. Yeah, for the toy or a die cast that's that old, it looks really good, and I'm glad I found this one. Let me know what you think about this. Do you have any suggestions? Do you like stuff like this? Leave a comment, share it if you like it. Well, that's all for the day. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.